Families and friends, you know it's Rastafari Soldier again. An interested study. This study is the study of the world's largest male private part. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there was a survey done of 86 countries, and we want to find out where your country rank. A study was done, ladies and gentlemen, in the United States, and the study was released in the New York Post report that was done by the Sun, and it's talking about male private part sizes by countries. And unfortunately, Jamaica is not listed. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great little relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Haiti has been hailed as having the 5th largest penis in the world. Studies find the Haitian men right now are gloating with joy to find this study. The study has been done, like I said, by the New York Post, and it has been reported by the Sun. Ladies and gentlemen, Haitian men are the 5th biggest equipment in the world when it comes to penis size. A study finds with an organ capable of reaching the average of 6.3 inches in erection length, the Haitian have the 5th biggest penis in the world, according to the study, whose results have been reported by the Sun, New York Post, and amongst others. The study was conducted by researchers from the online pharmacy called From Mars. The entity specialized in men grooming, analyzing Google data from 86 different countries to arrive at the result. Jamaica was not among those countries. What am I trying to say now? What am I say? Jamaica never participate, or Jamaica never even rank? Una don't ramp with me thing. You are gone key. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's saying here from their seating among the leader of the world top 5, the Haitian have beaten the French with their 6.20 inches, 11th place, and the Americans, who averaged 5.3 inches, in 59th position in the world ranking. As for number 1, Ecuador wins big. And no pun intended, ladies and gentlemen. According to the investigator, Ecuador have the largest penis in the world, with a manly number measuring 6.93 inches. They are followed by Cameroonians with a 6.56 average length. Otherwise, the smallest male sexual organ is said to be found in Cambodia, where a man member would be averaging 3.91 erection. The woman them now got Cambodia. Dominican beaten by their Haitian neighbors in a similar study from 2012 seems absent from this current exercise. Oh, you mean because they ain't shame? Said the little Haitian Ireland whop them, whip them bad. Ladies and gentlemen, me have a list of the country them. And me can't believe the people them a tell me say Jamaica never show up. Them never study me island, because them never link me nor me family. Cause me know me a add couple inches, not centimeter, inches for my country. You are guarantee I do not like this, because I find this to be erroneous. This is a erroneous study. Study shows here, ladies and gentlemen. Look on this here study here. This is a study on the right. Look on the study. Ecuador, Cameroon, Bolivia, Sudan, Haiti, Senegal, Gambia, Cuba, Netherlands, Zimbabwe, France, Angola, Canada, Egypt, Zimbabwe, Zambia was the other one, I'm sorry, at number 10. Sorry about that, Zambian. Georgia, Portugal, Chad, Italy, Central African Republic, Colombia, Ivory Coast, Brazil, Sudan, Bulgaria, Costa Rica, Honduras, Hungary, Mexico, Denmark, El Salvador, Argentina, Serbia, Croatia, Belgium, Latvia, and Chile beat out Jamaica. Australia, DR Congo, Algeria, Germans them beat out Jamaica. What kind of joke? A joke tick. Nigeria, Switzerland, Norway, Poland, Albania, Cape Verde, New Zealand, Ukraine, Spain, France, Libya, India, all of them, Israel, Japan, all Japanese bigger than with the blouse and skirt. Greece, South Koreans, Armenia, UK, China, Turkey, Ireland, Mongolia, Romania, Yemen. Yo, them never take no survey at Jamaica. Them never take no survey at Jamaica. There is no way. Japan, China, and they man there. And what do you man? Only take man for fool. Really? I am really highly upset by this survey. Me no mind say Haiti up in it. Cause you organ tea and me cousin them. But the Haitian girl love the Jamaicans' attitude. But listen, this is not a sword fight talk. This is a real talk. The European them are so, what I would say, caught up with the size of the melanated man thing. Him gone over the world and take a global penis size survey. And what do them man ya man? And what do them man ya man? You hear what me I talk about, people? The European them do a worldwide global penis size, and them say origin Ecuador have the largest at 6.93 inches. And what do them man ya? And them say Jamaica not even the on the list at the 86. A secret, we keep putting as a secret, you know. Can you see if we did go into the competition, everybody wouldn't complain. So we just make no go on. I use we brain. Ecuador, you are full. 6.93. Them think they are joke thing. Them think they when a girl no look good. Cause remember, the thing grow depending on what soil you are sow it in. You are guarantee the thing a go grow. So you can't come chat about rare. You don't take man for fool. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roads TV. You know I said sometimes you have to make it light because the world is really dark. And I'm speaking here from my heart, from the beginning, end. Me I chat about the start. Then can't fool up Yardman and chat about Yardman to make a list. Listen, Ecuador, we just go and make you feel good. You are guarantee, big up me Haitian brethren them. You are guarantee. Send the rest of the girl them over to Jamaica, the land of wood. Good wood and water. You are guarantee. Bless up on yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm just reporting live to let you know the European them are still infatuated with the African equipment, so they have to go and do a world survey, publish it in the Sun newspaper and the New York Post, and then find out that the Haitian them have the fifth longest. You are guarantee. And when you look through the list, Cameroon, Sudan, Haiti, Senegal, Gambia, whole for Africa, Egypt, Zimbabwe, whole for Africa in the list. Brazil did it at 22 with 5.94. You are going to. And I'm wondering why Jamaica not up on the list. Because you know say, we pump it up. We not ramp with it. More life, more joy, and more happiness. Subscribe, like, and share if you have not seen. Leave your comment. Make me know why Jamaica not up on the list. Because me know see I not qualify, we not qualify. Like we never compete in this trial let alone. We never try at all. Big up yourself, Haiti again.